Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Casks-n-Que, or Whiskey and Barbecue Meat. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today I'm really excited about what we're gonna cook for you. It's Mississippi pot roast. It's great for a cold night. We're about to get some cold weather headed our way, and this is gonna warm our bellies. Stick around. All right, so we're gonna cook this Mississippi pot roast on the old blaze Kamado. We wanna get the Kamado fired up to about 350 degrees and let this thing cook for quite a while. Here's what we need. Potatoes, thing of carrots, 3-pound chuck roast, packet of ranch style dressing, and some au jus, 1 onion, and some garlic. I forgot one thing. Pepperoncini. These things, they're delicious, and they're going in the pot roast. Also some unsalted butter. All right, we're just gonna give this onion a rough chop. Chuck roast. These things are great for pot roast because they have all that intermuscular fat. Look at that. That's gonna render down and make some good gravy. So we're gonna hit that guy with a little Chicago steak seasoning. It's okay to go heavy on it. You want that flavor. Don't forget the sides. It's not rocket science. There's a piece of carrot on there. Get it nice and coated. Now what we gotta do is get that blaze Kamado screaming hot so we can get a good sear on that chuck roast. It's gonna be amazing. This thing is screaming at about 475 degrees. Let's give it a sear. Press it down so you get that good sear on there. All right, we just got an aluminum pan here, run of the mill, everyday aluminum pan. We are gonna start with the beer. Regular old light beer will do. Then we're gonna throw our veggies on the bottom. A piece of garlic smelling delicious. Give those a shake. Throw in the stick of butter, bag of potatoes. The reason I'm doing these potatoes early is because I want them mushy. We want to get that nice seared chuck roast right on top. Au jus, sprinkle it in there. Nothing to it. Ranch. Mississippi pot roast. A little more seasoning. Another beer. Some of our pepperoncinis. Pepperoncini. Some people add the juice. You can. You don't have to. Now, if you add the juice, it is going to kick up the spice a little bit. A little bit of juice. Okay. Now we're going to stick this on the blaze Kamado and let it cook for a real long time. Here we go. Night night, Mr. Pot Roast. Okay guys, the chuck roast is reading about 210 internal. I did go ahead and take a peek and it's shredding just perfect. So we're gonna take it off the smoker and get a bowl of Mississippi pot roast. There we go, looking good. Let's plate it up. We're gonna shred this. Oh man, look at that. Look how tender that is, juicy. Pulls right apart, exactly what you're wanting. Some of those burnt ends. Still got some of that sear, a little mushy just the way I like it. It's one thing about pot roast, I can't stand when I bite into a carrot and it's crunchy, or potato. Ladle some of those juices on top of that. Man, if that's not delicious, I don't know what is. Oh, Something I didn't mention, I did cover this with aluminum foil after I put it on the smoker. So I failed to record that part, but it happened. Let's just keep tearing this apart and then we'll make a bowl. Oh God, that smells amazing. You get some of that pepperoncini, or however you say it. Definitely some of the salt, pepper, the smokiness. It just all marries together and it's perfect. Oh, one other thing I did do was, the 2 beers for me wasn't quite enough, so I did add some beef broth, which was done off camera. I cannot wait to try this. Let's go in for a bite. Let's get some of that carrots. And also, we gotta get that pepper in there. Oh no! Let's go for the carrot again. Oh man, if that doesn't look delicious. Here we go, big bite. Look y'all, I don't know if there's a better wintertime dish than Mississippi pot roast. It's inexpensive, there's very few ingredients, it's delicious, warms your belly on a cold night. What more could you want? Hey, this was easy to do. It only took about 4 hours and it's phenomenal. Get yourself a good chuck roast, carrots, potatoes, some of those little pepper thingies that I can't pronounce, porcellini, you know what I'm talking about. Get those and just follow the instructions in the video. Hey, if you like what we're doing here over at Casks-n-Que, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's gonna help us out a lot and it's greatly appreciated. Hey, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you next time.